how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen about VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested more than 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff you don't care about or that doesn't really matter, just to make this video longer, I'm going to straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs for your router right now, and a few things about each that actually matter, so you can just pick one and get your home network fully protected. And for the tech geeks like me out there, I'll drop a link in the description so you can grab my whole research doc completely free and dive deep for the rest of the year. No joke. All right, let's get into it. Top 3 VPN services for your router and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for your router. Why? First, it's fully compatible with most router setups, which is super important. Speed-wise, it's literally one of the fastest I've tested, with low latency, rock-solid connections, no packet loss, and consistently strong download and upload speeds on all your devices. Features? It has more than any other. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection. You name it, it's there. Perfect to keep every device connected through your router safe without any extra hassle. Pricing and support? It's a great deal for what you get, and support is top-notch when you need help setting up the router. Logs? Nope, they don't keep any. That's a fact. Encryption? They use the best encryption tech available, securing your whole network. Overall, super easy to set up on your router, fast speeds, solid security, and fairly cheap considering what you're getting. Negatives? There's a 10 device limit per account, but with routers, all connected devices count as just one. Second best VPN for your router is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN focused on pure network performance. Speed? Incredibly fast with consistent low latency and zero interruptions. Your entire home network benefits with no lag spikes or packet loss. Features? It covers all the essentials for router use, a reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is awesome if you want only certain devices routed through the VPN. Pricing and support? One of the best bang for your buck VPNs out there. Usually cheaper than competitors but delivers top-tier speeds. Support is fast and helpful, especially with router setup questions. Logs? Nope, none. They have an independently audited no logs policy. Encryption? Top-tier tech, AES 256. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, so privacy purists might be cautious. Plus, the server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, and secure set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect for boosting your router security and smooth browsing across all home devices. Third best VPN for your router is Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? It offers a massive server network and tons of customization for advanced router users. Speed? Very good. With that huge server network, you can almost always find a fast, uncrowded server nearby. Features? Packed with goodies. Kill switch, a solid ad blocker, and lots of customizable settings. Perfect if you want to tailor your router VPN exactly how you want. Pricing and support? Almost always the cheapest premium option here. Support is solid and professional with helpful router guides too. Logs, no logs, proven in court. Encryption uses the best tech and it's even customizable. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US based. The app isn't as polished as the others, but on routers, that doesn't matter much. Overall, a reliable, transparent, and powerful VPN. The best pick if you want a budget-friendly router VPN with tons of servers and advanced options. And that's it. My top 3 picks for VPNs on your router: NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you really can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick just based on the logo or color, you'll be more than fine. They all work perfectly wired into your router. Quick recap if you're still unsure. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for your router, a premium experience packed with features and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that offers amazing value and easy router compatibility. Go with PIA if you're on a budget, but want a router VPN with a massive server network and tons of advanced customizations. My job here is done. I gave you the answers, so you don't have to waste your time. I've put exclusive discount links for all 3 down in the description, so you can get the best price available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one, and let me know in the comments which one you went with. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.